The stock that I like is LIC Housing Finance. That stock has given a breakout at levels closer to 200. So I would have a stop just below 200 and expect it to climb to levels closer to 220.
And Prakash, your next trading idea for today?
The second stock that I like is a good old Lupin, structurally positive, seen a good up move, consolidated for a month or so, and has finally given a breakout at 868. So now it looks like if it sustains the breakout of 868, we can see Lupin climb to levels closer to around 905 to 910 zones. Stop below 861.
Where intraday stock trading ideas are concerned, I would want to buy Reliance Industries in the cash segment at 850 levels, holding these long positions so initiated with a stop loss at 844 and a target of 862 or end of the session, whichever comes first. My second trade would be a buy in Tata Motors in the cash segment at 350 levels. I would hold these long positions so initiated with a stop loss at 346 and expecting to book profits at 360 or end of the session, whichever comes first.
Stock ideas, one stock is Sesa Goa. Sesa Goa has seen a rare consolidation in the form of a rectangle. So rectangle patterns are very rare because they take a long time to get formed. So the stock has formed a rectangular pattern, one on hourly chart, and also there is a big range on daily charts, and it is seeing a breakout of this range. So in the short term, Sesa Goa appears to be a good bet. It can move to levels of 202 to 205. If reached, these levels can get modified to about 220. So Sesa is a good buy with a stop loss below 184. You can go ahead and buy for targets of about 205. Second stock is PNB. PNB continues to remain an underperformer, and we've seen time and again that banking stocks have seen huge selling pressure whenever there has been a rebound. So current rebound to 480, 485 can be used for short selling Punjab National Bank. You can expect the stock to go back to about 450 levels in the short term. I don't see PNB rising above 500. So 501, 502 can be utilized as a stop loss, and the targets for the stock is again 450 or even lower from current levels.
A buy in Arvind, stop loss 85.50, target 99. A buy in Dishman Pharma, stop loss 55, target 72. A buy in BEML, stop loss 163, target 195. A buy in TVS Motor, stop loss 39, target 50. And a buy in United Phosphorus, stop loss 148, target 162.
Well, Nifty for the week needs to maintain around 5852. You'd recall that this number is relevant because of the 200-day moving average. Bank Nifty needs to stay above 10,035 and CNX IT above 8304. Nifty for the day needs to stay above 5853, resistance at 5888 and 5943, support at 5798 and 5763. Bank Nifty must stay above 10,212 and CNX IT above 8187. BTST from last week, United Spirits was a buy with a stop of 2600, target of 2690. Bata was a buy with a stop of 850, target of 880. JSW Steel was a sell with a stop of 745, target of 690. Fresh calls, Shobha Developers is a buy with a stop of 310, target of 345. LIC Housing is a buy with a stop of 198, target of 220. Motherson Sumi is a buy with a stop of 233, target of 250. BEML is a buy with a stop of 165, target of 210. BHEL is a sell with a stop of 149, target of 134. And Union Bank is a sell with a stop of 119, target of 106.
See, I would recommend a buy on Coal India. The stock has done extremely well in the last few days, but it needs to get past 312.5, which is also the 200-day average. So buy above that level with a stop at 307 and then look for targets of 325. Colgate Palmolive is clearly showing signals of bottoming out, so this one can be bought with a stop at 1254 for targets of around 1340. Dr. Reddy has had a corrective setup on the intraday charts, so I would suggest a sell with a stop about 2401 for targets of around 2300. Jindal Steel is a sell with a stop at 241.5 for price targets of 225, and I've got a buy on United Phosphorus which had a very strong pricing volume day on Friday, now can be bought with a stop at 148.5 for targets of around 165.